Every morning, millions of people wake up and work for money. But somewhere else, someone is still sleeping, and their money is already working for them. Sounds unfair? It is, but it's also how the system was designed. Today, we'll break down why rich people keep getting richer, even while sleeping, and why most people never escape the treadmill. Stay till the end, because once you see this system, you can never unsee it. Long ago, money didn't exist. People traded things directly. Fish for fruit, wood for milk. Then money was invented. Money made life easier. But later, money learned a new trick. It started making more money. This is where everything changed. Because workers earn money with time, but owners earn money with assets. And assets work 24 hours a day. If you stop working, your salary stops. If assets keep running, money keeps coming. That is the first secret. Let's meet Rahul. Rahul works 9 hours a day. He gets paid monthly. No work, no income. Now meet Mr. Kapoor. He owns apartments. Every month, rent arrives. Even if he is on vacation, even if he is sleeping, Rahul climbs using effort. Mr. Kapoor rises using ownership. That is a huge difference. Most people are taught to collect fruit. Rich people try to own the tree, and the smartest ones own the whole orchard. Then comes investing. Stocks, businesses, land, funds. These assets can grow while you sleep. Some pay dividends. Some rise in value. Some do both. And then there is the most powerful force of all. Compound growth. Money making money. Then that money making more money. Again, and again, and again. At first, growth looks slow. Then suddenly, it explodes. That's why starting early matters more than starting big. And here comes another advantage. Rich people can borrow cheaply. Banks trust assets. So money becomes easier to access. If you already have money, they use debt to buy more assets. Those assets produce income. That income buys more assets. It becomes a loop. So is the game impossible? No, but many people are playing the wrong game. They only chase income. They never build ownership. The path changes when you buy even small assets. A skill that earns more. A side business. An index fund. A tool that saves time. Small seeds matter. At first, nothing exciting happens. Then one day, the tree starts giving fruit on its own. That's when time stops being your only income source. You do not need to be born rich, but you do need to understand the rules early. Income helps you survive. Assets help you grow. Ownership helps you escape. Final takeaway plus CTA: rich people keep getting richer while sleeping because they spent years building things that work without them. That is the real goal. Not looking rich, not acting rich, building systems that earn quietly. So ask yourself today, are you only earning money? Or are you building something that earns without you? If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more simple stories about money, power, and how the world really works. Because once you understand the game, you can start winning it.